It's 2-Minute Tuesday, and today I have been challenged, and it's not what you think. The challenge comes from a TMT viewer. Here is the email. Berlin, in general, you seem to know what you are talking about, and the last couple of videos had me shaking my head. Roasting nuts that already have been roasted and roasting your own coffee beans on a grill, I must say, those took me by surprise, but I want to challenge you to bake cookies using your pit barrel or barrel house cooker. If you truly are a backyard chef, this will prove it. Well, thanks for the email and the challenge. Baking cookies dates back ages, the 7th century to be exact, and some texts even say 500 BC. But the point here is that the oven was not invented until the early 1700s, and baking was done by fire, pit, or kiln. So challenge accepted, and let's get started. I will be making oatmeal raisin cookies today and using a pre-made cookie dough so that it will take away any factor of me rigging the dough. The trick here is to keep a steady temperature in the cooker. We will not be able to use the indirect method, but will be using the direct method. Instead of a sheet pan, I'll be using a pizza stone. This will help with the baking process. Now that the charcoal is ashed over, let's put the cookies in and close the lid, leaving it just cracked. According to the directions on the package, it should take about 12 to 15 minutes, but I have a feeling it'll be done a little sooner. It's been around 15 minutes and these cookies look done. Well, there you have it. A challenge completed and the cookies are awesome. Show your appreciation by subscribing to my channel and also liking and sharing this video with a friend. And since you're already there, go ahead and click that bell icon so you can get notified of any new videos. Let me know in the comments section what was your favorite part of the video, and if you have any video suggestions, leave them there as well. If you have a challenge you would like me to do, I would like to hear about it in the comments. If I like the challenge, I will feature it in an upcoming video. I'm Berlin Birch. I'll see you next time.